tool called Clippie AI. I'm going to use TikTok as an example. Now what we're going to do here is to find interesting videos. Yes, don't just choose any random videos. I will search for something like funny babe. Now you're going to scroll through, and once you get what you like, simply click on it, then click on this button to copy the link. Alright, now we need to save this video to our device. So go to Google and search for any TikTok downloader website. This way you can download the video with the link you copied. Once you get all the 5 videos, we can now move on to the final step. Anyway, if you're enjoying the video, kindly give the video a like. This will encourage me to bring you more content. Alright, click on the first link in the video description and you'll get this page in front of you. I know lots of you guys are aware how powerful this tool is. Go ahead and sign up for an account if this is your first time here, and you'll get a dashboard like this. Alright, so this time we're going to use this feature called Top 5 Video. This will do all the work for us, so we don't have to be spending lots of time creating video. Let's click on the Top 5 Video tab from here. Now, what we're going to do here is simple. We're going to upload the videos that we downloaded here, and the tool will do all the work for us. Simple, right? Perfect. Let's start by clicking here. Next, select the clips you want to use. It should be 5 at most. Now, let's hit the open button. Alright, you can see we have 5 clips being uploaded here. Just wait for a few seconds. Perfect. You can see the clips have been added here. Now, let's click on Next. Good. If we click on Style Options, you can see that we have the options to change the text style. We can also change the text colors, and we can adjust the text size as well. If you check here, you can see we have an option to choose if we want a blurry background or not. If you toggle it on, you're going to get something like this. This is good because it makes the title stand out. I don't use that anyway, so let's turn it off. Now, we need to enter the topic of our video here. I will say something like Top 5 Funniest Baby Sleeping Moments. You can also rearrange the clips by drag and drop. It's so easy, right? Now, the most important part, you need to give titles to all the clips. You need to be creative here. What I normally do is to ask questions. Let's take video number 5 as an example. Instead of saying something like the acrobatic sleeping, I will say something like, what would you call this type of sleep? Let me turn on the blur background, so you'll see what I'm doing clearly. Perfect. You know, when I do this, I get lots of engagements. Trust me. But listen, I'm not saying you should do that to all the clips. You just need to be creative here. Once everything is set, just click on the export button. Now name the file, and click on render. Alright, you can now save the video to your device by clicking the download button. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.